Hi, thank you for buying FMAV service for your laser part. Okay, so basically the video that I'm showing you now will do the VAU1255, the 1254, and it will also do the CDM12s and the VAU1252 CDMX. Okay, exactly the same way you would do the others. Okay, so basically what you need to do is you turn the board over. We need to remove these 4 screws. Okay, you'll have to excuse the state of my screwdrivers. So we're going to remove these 4 screws. Just be careful as you're doing it, you know, don't slip and hit a chip or anything like that, because the components will break off the board. Okay, so now what we do now, very carefully, we remove this part. Okay, and you've got a ribbon cable there, see that? And what people tend to do is they pull it and they rip this ribbon. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to carefully pull that out like that, and we're going to carefully pull that one out like that. Okay, so we're going to put this board here, and this is what we're looking at now. Okay, so we can clearly see that. Now very carefully I'm going to use a pair of tweezers, okay, to go under this, and we have to be very careful not to dig upwards on the actual spleen itself, okay, because if you do, you'll damage these little parts. Okay, so that's that one off there. Now we remove this screw here, so we're going to go in there like that, and we'll remove that gently. Okay, and then we pull that up very gently. So we got them 2 now. So again, very carefully, you just pull that both ways, okay, very gently. You don't need to really put pressure on this one, okay, and that just pops out. It's as simple as that. Okay, so you put that, and then we undo this screw here. Okay, so we take this screw fully out and put that one there, and we loosen this one off. Okay, there's no need to take the whole screw out. So what we do now is we remove that, and there's your laser. So we carefully take the top off, put that part there, put that part there, and you can see the laser. Now these are common faults with Bang & Olufsen, jukeboxes, anything that really takes this mech. And I'll be honest with you, we get a lot of these in for repairs. So now we got a new laser, so we're going to open up the new packet that we got. We're going to open that up very carefully, and you've got a brand new laser. And I just want to stress to people that all our products that we sell are brand new. Okay, so you can tell that this laser has never ever been used before. Don't know whether you can see that. You zoom in there, you can see where it's been clampered down, and the other one is not been clampered down. And we also use the gold contacts, which give you better continuity basically. So we're going to just pull that off. So now, very carefully, we're going to put that back in there, put that back in there. Okay, as this is a little test video, I will tell you that sometimes we use very minor Vaseline, small smidge, just a Vaseline or gun oil, gun grease. We use a Beasley gun grease on there, just a little bit. That's all you need. Okay, and then what we do is we carefully okay, slide that underneath like that, okay, and we carefully push that in so that lines up with this here. Okay, now what we now do is just make sure that this, as you push that in, just make sure that that little plastic grommet is right up the top, okay, because it will stop your laser going to the top of the part. Okay, now what we do is we put this part back in here. Again, as you're doing it, just use your finger and you're just making sure that little plastic part, that little rubbery plastic part, goes to the end. Okay, and now what we have is literally a whole free run, okay, of that part with nothing in the way. And also what we usually do is we check the micro switches there. There's a micro switch there, so when we're actually servicing parts for people, we always give that a little clean just to make sure. But you can see that freely running there, and you can see here, see the micro switch there, just clicking that micro switch. Always look for this when you're doing these repairs. Okay, so basically we're going to put it down again gently. Now here is the fun part. So basically you put that in there like that, and you've got a little groove, so you can use the little groove. Can you see that? There's a little bit of a spring there. See that? So what we do now is we're going to push that back a little bit. We're going to push that into there. Just give it a little bit of a push, and there you go. Can you see that running there? So that's running nicely as it should be. So now we're just basically reversing what we've already done, and we're going to put the part back to bits, back together, so we can reinstall it. Okay, and this one here, when you're putting this back in, the long spleen is on the top, always on the top. You've got a very short spleen on the bottom. Okay, that small one has to go at the bottom. All right, so I don't know whether you can zoom in on that and see that. Excellent. Right, so now we've got that at the bottom. We're going to push that in there like that. And how we test it now, just to make sure that it's got flow, you haven't got to do it right up, but you just spin that, and you can see the little laser moving up. So now what we do is we have this board, it's one of my little boards there, and we open this up, these little parts up here, lay the board down very gently. If you're in a static environment, use a static board background, because if not, you'll damage the laser. But where I am in my little office, I know there's no static about, because we've got anti-static parts. So what we do now is we just push that over gently like that, and we're going to get this cable in there. Push that cable in there, make sure that it's all the way inside. And now the easy bit, we're going to push that up like that. Okay, so we're pushing, just making sure gently, and be careful not to rip these off. So we're all in there now, back where we were before, 2 cables, and we're going to line that up again to these, and we're going to put it all back together as it was before. Okay, this is my little test part just to make this video, so this will be stripped down again and used as parts for other people, because we've got so many of these parts. It's just We always like to keep plenty of parts for people because they get stuck or they break something by accident. We can help you with repairs. So there you go, one finished repair. So hopefully this video has been educational to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me at the office, and we'll always help you. We will not leave you stranded. So any problems, any queries, if the laser's damaged or anything, you know, please feel free to give me a call, because I will help you, and we don't leave customers like most people. And of course, the best thing is we actually give you a 6-month warranty on all our parts, unlike other companies who will just not give you any warranty. So hopefully that helps you, and again, we do really appreciate your business, and thank you ever so much for buying, and thank you.